Hello! Welcome back to another episode of Lady Cigar Review. So it is still October, and I figured I would still do a Halloween type cigar review again. We got about a little less than a week until the end of October. So I'm doing the new, so I did the face, the Monster Series Tatuaje the face last time, and I'm doing, woo, can you see that? Can you see that? No, maybe not. Tatuaje Monster. It's the new one called the Bride. So, and I couldn't find anything on the specs on it at all. I just know this is the size. About 6 inches. Alright. I'll try to behave. Maybe. Alright, so we cut it. I have no expectations. I have no idea. Flavor profile, I don't know any of that on this one, so we're going in blind, people. Smells good. Oh, I am a redhead now. Thank you very much. Yes, yes. Not that any of you care.
Girl, work it,
Hey.
girl, work it.
Hey. I always say I'm a blonde naturally, but I am a redhead at a heart. So. Oh, no. Dan messed with my lighter. Oh.
You're messing your video up.
No, the one guy wants me to do this where I never can light it. Might be your day. Seriously, might be your day.
I like that cigar. Yeah. I like the way you struggle, how you try to light that cigar.
Ooh, baby.
Struggle.
Seriously, I can't today.
Yeah. No light.
No. You're like my commentator in the back. This might be your lucky day, dude. I don't know if I can last 3 minutes without doing this without going getting a match. Seriously. Give this to my assistant. Is it working at all? Yeah. No, a little bit. Okay. Woo!
Roasting that baby.
Woo!
I don't know how they're gonna feel about some black hands in there.
Hey! My assistant today.
Yes, always. You know the best.
Yep. Employee of the month. Always keeps my lighter filled. Or lights my cigar when I can't in the wind. He literally went over there, got it working, came back over here, and then lit it for me. Oh, okay. I can see where they're saying this is a little green tasting. I definitely get bitter, like a grassy notes. Definitely that new cigar taste, like it hasn't quite aged long enough. I'm getting that taste.
Slight ammonia.
Yeah, a little bit of ammonia, yeah. I'm hoping it chills, so we'll see. As always, we will do the ash test. But in this wind, we are outside on location. Outside. Parking Street. Havana Port. What? Too noisy inside. They're watching, like, I don't know, some cop show.
At least ain't Law and Order.
I think it is Law and Order. SVU. Yeah, that's what they're watching. Not my thing. So, plus they're all old men, so they got it cranked so loud, like a deaf person could hear it. It's bad. So, you might get the sound of a little bit of traffic in the background, but at least you're not getting, you know, murder and mayhem on cop show. So, I did early morning voting this morning. I don't know if I got it on there, so I voted. What? So I voted this morning. Got that done. Then we went to White Star Market, and it has like all these different restaurants inside, and it has really good coffee. So we had coffee, and then for breakfast I had tacos. So it's a good Friday so far. Okay. Real bitter. That's all I'm tasting. I don't know. If you're gonna go out with a bang with the last monster in the series, you gotta make it the best monster of the series, right? At least that's my thoughts. I went to Government Taco this morning. This is my watermelon lime chili agua fresca. Agua fresca. Fresca? Fresca? It's very good. Okay. I might keep smoking because I'm already at 5 minutes and I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long. So I'm gonna keep smoking. I'll let you know. We'll see. A little disappointed, Tatuaje. Come on. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be honest. This is fucking nasty. And I'm about a quarter away in. It was not ready. And I understand the whole, it has to be released in October. It's a monster series, it's the last in the series, it's a big deal, but if it's not ready, it's not ready, and this is not ready. I'm not saying it's going to be a bad cigar, because maybe it just needs to sit for 6 more months in the humidors, but as of right now, I'm a quarter way through, the flavor has not changed, all it tastes is ammonia and bitter. It's bad. Like, I'm going to put it out. I'm giving it a thumbs down. As of right now, I will come back probably in 6 months and redo the review. Try it again, see if I still hate it. But thumbs down. Bad. I don't like it. It's, as of right now, a waste of money. But give it 6 months. Because it seems to be how the monster series are, is that like that face one that I had was like 4 years old and it was amazing. This, sorry guys, I'm giving it a thumbs down. Bad review as of right now. I don't recommend it. Give it 6 more months. The monster series, the new one called The Bride. No. Sorry. So I always give honest reviews and that was mine. It doesn't necessarily reflect anyone else's. But I should be doing more. Well, next week I'm going to do another one too. So I'm going to try to be more consistent. I've told you guys that before. I'm going to try to pull out weekly for you guys. It's a bad one. It's gross. Thumbs down. That's all today. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the little bell button so you can get all of the reviews when they come out. So that's it. So have a happy day. Have a happy Friday. Happy weekend. And suck it.